Hi guys, and welcome back to Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making a classic summer treat, peach cobbler recipe. Now, I forget where I got this recipe from, but it's pretty simple and easy. But if you're doing keto and you're new to keto, I would lay off on a lot of this stuff for the desserts. You know, it all depends on where you are with your journey. So for this, you'll need a half a cup of almond flour, a half a cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered swerve. Just give everything a good mix. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 egg at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Give everything a good mix. 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum, and give it a good mix again. Excuse me. And preheat the oven to 350. And then we're going to add some peaches in the on a oven safe pan, and we use the canned peaches today. Just be mindful that some of this canned stuff packs a lot of sugar, and you want to really kind of watch that. It's better to use fresh peaches if you can find them, and just cube them up and just take the seed out and slice them up. And then for the for the crumb for the top of the peaches, we're going to use a cobbler topping. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter on the top of the cobbler crust. And this is pretty simple recipe, and I got the original recipe link below the video. Now the only thing about this whole thing is I just forgot to take a snapshot of the final product, because I thought it was filming and my camera shut off. But this is all part of the fun part about learning, and I got the link in below, show more where I got the original recipe from. But have an amazing day. So it's Ron. I'm just back. And this is the xanthan gum I added over the top, and what that does is acts like a thickening agent. So and now I'm adding the cobbler crust that I made to go over the top. And be careful with the almond flour, because if you leave it in the oven too long, it's going to burn. And you know, the cobbler crust, you can use it for any kind of cobbler that you want to make. And you know, it came out really fantastic. And then let it cool down. You can make some sugar-free ice cream and add the ice cream over the top. Ice cream and the cobbler in a bowl would taste really good. But anyways, I baked that off at 350 for 15 minutes, and it came out really great. Have a great day.